Are you ready to elevate your warehouse operational efficiency? Today, we're diving into 23 key performance indicators that are essential for measuring and improving your warehouse performance. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more warehouse management insights. Key performance indicators are the compass that guide your warehouse towards operational excellence. Let's quickly walk through these 23 crucial metrics you should be tracking in your warehouse operations. Inventory management KPIs. Inventory accuracy. This KPI measures how well recorded inventory matches physical stock, preventing stockouts and optimizing inventory levels. Inventory turnover rate. This rate measures how frequently inventory is sold and replenished, reflecting the efficiency of inventory management and sales. Carrying cost of inventory. This key indicator helps businesses understand the financial impact of holding inventory over a set period, including storage, handling, and opportunity costs. Inventory turns. Measures how often inventory is sold and replaced over a specific period, indicating efficient inventory management. Replenishment efficiency. Focuses on the speed and accuracy of moving inventory from backstock to picking locations to ensure product availability. Dead stock management. Identifies and addresses inventory that hasn't moved due to lack of demand or obsolescence, freeing up space and recovering investment. Receiving and put away KPIs. Receiving efficiency. This metric gauges the productivity of warehouse employees in the receiving area, ensuring efficient pre-receiving tasks, unloading, and storage preparation. Put away cycle time. Measures the average time from receiving goods to storing them in their designated locations, contributing to faster inventory turnover. Picking and packing KPIs. Picking accuracy. Assesses the precision of item picking in an order, crucial for minimizing errors and enhancing customer satisfaction. Packing productivity. Measures the effectiveness of packing processes, focusing on improving workstation layout and reducing packing times. Shipping and delivery KPIs. On-time shipment rate. Measures the percentage of orders shipped on or before the promised shipping date, a major factor in customer satisfaction. Order lead time. Measures the time to fulfill a customer's order from placement to shipment, impacting customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. Fulfillment KPIs. Order fill rate. Measures the percentage of customer orders fulfilled from available stock without back orders or stockouts, indicating inventory management effectiveness. Order fulfillment timeliness. Assesses the speed from order placement to dispatch, reflecting on your warehouse's responsiveness. Picks per hour. Evaluates the efficiency of the picking team, crucial for timely order fulfillment. On time in full, OTIF. Measures the percentage of orders delivered in full, on time, combining accuracy, completeness, and timeliness. Order accuracy. Measures the precision of order fulfillment in delivering exactly what the customer ordered, aiming for high accuracy to minimize returns and exchanges. Warehouse safety KPIs. Accident rate. Tracks the impact of workplace incidents, aiming for a safe work environment and effective safety programs. Equipment maintenance. Ensures proper equipment maintenance to prevent accidents and extend the lifespan of warehouse machinery. Operational efficiency KPIs. Overall throughput. Measures the total volume of goods processed and moved through the warehouse within a given time frame, reflecting operational efficiency. Supplier KPIs. Supplier on-time delivery rate. Assesses the reliability of suppliers in delivering goods on time, impacting overall supply chain efficiency. Supplier quality acceptance rate. Measures the quality of goods received from suppliers, crucial for maintaining product standards. Supplier response time. Evaluates the speed of supplier response to issues, aiding in smooth operations and better product availability. At Cadre Technologies, we offer advanced tools to help you track and analyze these KPIs effortlessly. Our solutions are designed to empower your business decisions and drive growth. Ready to harness the power of these KPIs for your business? Visit us at cadretech.com for more information. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into effective warehouse management.